Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back in the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure we've all seen all of the fall stuff that they have out. So here's a lot of the DIY items gathered together. Thankful, blessed, thankful. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen all of those. I haven't seen this one right here with the darker one that says Hello Autumn. There's a lot of the pretty ribbon here. Different ones. I like this green one right here. Really pretty colors. They have a glitter ribbon as well. On this end cap, they still have these little berry garlands right here. Those are the ones in the burgundy, and they also have these ones with the orange. You can see those. They have a lot of the pumpkins still. Here's some of the fabric pumpkins right here in blue and pink. They have a lot of the different color pumpkins right here. Those are really pretty. This pretty burgundy one back here. Green. And they have a lot of the glitter pumpkins as well. I see the corn. These colors, and let's see, these are the ones with the flowers. Very nice. And they have these ones up here. We've seen these before. I like this pretty green one up here, this light green. Really pretty. These ones right here, those are very nice. I like those. And this one right here has a little green leaf on the side. Nice. All right, so down here they have some of the ones like this here. I see the gold and the orange. See those. They have these ones right here, the checkered ones in black and white, orange and white. And I see blue and white. So they still adding stuff out. So look at the jar, the mason jars right here with the letters. The P. So they have a lot of these that they're putting out. They have the little monogram containers right here. And they have the monogram pumpkins right here. I see orange, white. This is a different one right here. It looks like an acorn, but they have those. And I'm not sure. I think this is a monogram mason jar, but the box is not open, so I'm going to wait until she put these out. I'm not going to open those right now, but let's just continue down the row. Here's some of the DIYs. The little witch, the aisle, another pumpkin, the DIY rock painting kit. And if you're looking for those wreath rings, they have a lot of those here in black.
Okay. Thank you.
A lot of the corn. The maple leaves they still have. How cute are these little metal sunflowers right here? Those are really nice. The mini trucks. They have those in the orange and the green. A lot of the bows. Different ones. A lot of the stickers. I really like these ones right here. Look at those. It has the pie, the apple pie, the candle, the coffee, all of those. Here's some more stickers with the gnomes. Grateful and very thankful. There's one with the Starbucks cup right there. Very cute. He has his cookies and cocoa. Very cute. And let's see, what are these right here? These are all pumpkins in different colors. And guys, look at the decorative bowls right here with the blue truck. Those are really nice. I like that. Some of these right here, well, actually these are coasters. Look at those coasters. They have the mini pumpkins in orange and white and black and white. A lot of the mesh down here, the felt, the mesh, and they have some of the LED lights here, the leaves in orange. That's the only color that I see. Well, actually, here's some, well, they're the same color, but they look like orange and red. So yeah, those are the colors. Let's put those back. Here's some of the crafter bottles. We've seen those with the gold lids. A lot of the ribbons up here, different ones. I know you guys have seen all of those. We have some of these right here, these little picks right here with the orange and white pumpkins. I also see these color here. This is the first thing I seen when the winter stuff came out, but they have these little decors right here, autumn blessings in green and white. This one right here, be grateful and give thanks. All right, so how cute are these right here? These are a little decor. You get 2 pieces. You get the one with the green and white. It says Harvest Blessings, Hello Pumpkin. And they have a lot of the Harvest DIY pans. These are the apple pies. They have the pumpkins, the little cute trucks. And look at the ornaments, guys. This is a, it's shaped as a little coffee mug with the whipped cream. You can paint these. Those are really neat. I see the leaves, the pumpkins. There's an apple right there. And there's a pine cone. But let me put this one back. But I really like this one right here. A little coffee shaped one. Really cute. Let's see, this is Thule. They have them in different colors. Orange, the green, and the pink. A lot of the felt, the mesh, different ones. Here's some of the decors right here, Harvest. I see one back here in blue that says Gather. Can you guys see that? Let's see, Gather, yep. And they have one that says Fall. But they have these little black things on the top, so they're kind of hard to get off the shelf. But that's really cute. I really like the blue and white one that says Harvest. Really cute. All right, guys, so I know you guys have already seen all of the decor that's hanging, the hanging decors. Sorry I'm so late getting into the store, but my life has been really hectic and just working a lot, guys. So I'm here to give you what I can. So they have this right here, fall hay rides, apple orchard pumpkin pie. Cute. Thankful Harvest blessing pumpkins. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. We have this one right here, Happy Fall, y'all. That's really cute. This one says Count Your Blessings, if you can see that. Happy Fall. The trucks are back, the red truck. They have that one up there. Gather Together. Pumpkin is a spice of life. Hello Autumn. And Thankful and Blessed. They have that sign right there, says Thankful and Blessed, Hello Autumn, and Welcome up there at the top. And as you can see, they're still putting out different signs here. These are the actual stakes that they're putting out. We have those. And look at these right here. These are really pretty. Look at those. They have it in that burgundy, the pink. That pink, this is actually a darker pink. And this is a light pink and the orange. And they have those signs up there, says Fall, Welcome, every year a fall pumpkin, bonfire, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you. Really cute. And of course they have all of the different, the plants, the different flowers. They have these leaves right here in different colors. They bought the little pumpkins and the berries back, the little sticks. The little bowls right here, different colors. Look at those, really pretty. And of course, all of the fall flowers they have. All right, guys, I'm on the round table here. Look how cute these candles are. This is a lavender lilac. Let's see, they have the, oh wow, the yellow one is really bright. It says purple tower. That's the yellow one. There's a blue one back here that says blue garden. And I see a green one as well. This one says mint and spruce. Those are really pretty. I like those. Let's see. Okay. They still have all of the little glass bottles here. See a lot of the candles that they put out. And here's a lot of the different pumpkins over here on this side, which they've already had out. Some more of the flowers. Guys, look at these cute little bags right here. These are made by Juncture and they're wristlets. This one says hey or hi. This one says smile. They have them in black as well, hey and hi. And this pink and black one right here that says yay. Those are really cute. I like those. All right, so here's some more winter socks right here by Junction. It has a little squirrel in the purple and the orange. They have the coffee ones that they bought back last year. Let's see if they have anything else. So they have a lot of socks here. They have the men's, the elf socks. They have those out still. They have these ones right here. I like the black and white flowers and the ones with the stripes. You get a set of 2. You have these ones right here. But a lot of nice cute socks that they have. Have you guys seen these candle holders right here? They have those. It has the green and the white on top. They have those. I see a pink one back here. They're really nice. And they have the whites with the little specks of brown on the inside of those. And they have this one right here. I also see this green one right here as well. Let's see. This is a pink amber poppy with the little tassels on the side. Never seen those before. Here's one right here with the green and white tassel. Let's see, this one right here is blue and it is called Passion Fruit Peony. Let's turn around and see what they have over here. Pretty much the same thing as they had before. Nothing new. They have a lot of the fragrant sachets over here. Some of the wall creations, a lot of those. All right, guys, so this is just a quick walkthrough through Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this this video today. I'm gonna they didn't have any of their Halloween stuff out just yet. This store right here, it's kind of slow, but they're putting it out as we go, and I don't really want to disturb the lady. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. They don't have any new stickers out. I like to come by the sticker aisle and see what they have. Let's see if they have any new tape. They have that one there. Let's see, here's one with the ABCs. See, with the pretty flowers right there. The little hedgehogs, that's really cute. This one right here. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video.